We're in the Science Center at Harvard for the 8th annual symposium on the future of computational science and engineering. Today's symposium is part of a week-long event that we hold called ComputeFest.
It's actually 4 days full of stuff. The first day was symposiums, so a lot of talks by different very high-level faculty. So yeah, packed. And then there's 3 days of workshops. So today is vision-based. Tomorrow, the main topic of the day is interpretability and fairness in machine learning. And the third day is going to be purely on NLP, so natural language processing.
What has really happened is that machine learning is becoming not only something that you use with data from tech companies or from personal data or internet data, it's actually now being used in science. And so there's a lot of interesting opportunities to do research in ways that's never been done before. And so that's what this is all about. It's really looking forward to the future in science.
All these workshops are basically skill building workshops, so people come in and really want to learn how to apply things in the real world. Medical research, biomedical imaging and so on, looking for ways to maybe incorporate what we were presenting here into what they were doing.
One of the wonderful things about doing a public symposium like this is that we can bring in people from different parts of the world. We actually have a strong representation from Google's Accelerated Science Group, a couple faculty from here at Harvard, a few from Cornell, and then we have Microsoft, Google, IBM, AI, and NVIDIA all coming in tomorrow for the workshops. So it's the kind of thing that we can bring in speakers from around the world, really doing the most forward-thinking work.